Greetings, great Biafran lovers of freedom, people of goodwill all over the world. My name is Efe Uwanogo Omote Biafra. If it's your first time when you come across this YouTube channel, Omote Biafra, may you hit the notification bell. Subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you will get notified each time we be say I upload new video, breaking news, news service chief, irredeemable security damage already done. Afenifere to federal government of Nigeria. After the removal of the Army General Brutare, the special advisor on media and publicity to President Muhammadu Buhari, Femi Adesina, say President Buhari fix say na time for them to change the military leadership in order for them to stop insurgency for the country. Even the little Ikla, murderer of our time, killer, governor of the so-called River State, Governor Nyesom Wike, don also warn the news service chief against make dem not politicize the security when they for the country, when they want a back on, and when they not make alliances with bandits. So even Wike agree say the army of Nigeria, the so-called army of Nigeria, they make alliances with terrorists for Nigeria. Even him himself, when he see they make this speech, so him himself na terrorist, and he see make alliances with them recently. When we say every one of us see when they commit genocide for Obi Igbo. After the resignation of General Tokyo Yusuf Butare, as former chief of army staff, the person wey come replace am come be General Ibrahim Atahiru. Na he replaced and see another Fulani man. Where would they go from here, my people? I stand with the words of Afenifere in Nigeria security is irredeemable, and also they go surely fail because despite the comments by every House of Representative and some governors in that place, people like the little Ikla, killer genocide Wike don't rightly say they go surely still fail, go get worse because very soon the chief staff go soon prove unwilling and unable to stop Boko Haram, Esme, ISAP, while at the same time they go thoroughly the extrajudiciary killing of the unarmed activists when they for the south, especially in the southeast of Nigeria, Biafra land. And I use this media to tell everybody, every journalist, when they condone this evil, when they go on as they speak massacre, they go on for Olu for southeast of Nigeria, when all of us don't rightly know, and the media don't they silent about it, as they don't rightly they do for the time past. And since how many years on judiciary killings they go on for Nigeria, this so-called federal government terrorists of Nigeria never taken upon themselves to try to stop all these things. But the few time when be say they don't say the citizens they don't take upon themselves for self-defense, now they don't come outside to tell us say they don't change new army staff. And we know they try to let them know say they not get the right to change them, as the special aid Adesina don't rightly talk, say President Muhammadu Buhari don't feel say na the right time be this for him to change them. But we dey urge every Nigerians to pay very attention close to the recent general army staff when we say they change, which is Fulani man. May they pay very close attention to the new news when we go start to happen for Nigeria. And we urge every journalist to stay very focused and not to collect brown envelope in order to report fast news against the citizens, because as it is today, it's obvious to the federal government of Nigeria say the citizens they don't take upon themselves to self-defense, since they are failed woefully to defend them as citizens. Thank you very much, my people. Until I come on our way again, Efe Omote Biafra reporting.